Data science teams often build machine learning models in complete isolation. When they try to connect those experimental models to active enterprise production systems, the architecture typically fractures under operational stress. The data shows exactly how steep this drop-off is. 87% of machine learning models never reach production. Without strict operational pipelines in place, your data science investment yields zero business value. This 10-part tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC provides the exact blueprint IT leaders need to close that gap. It outlines how to replace isolated experiments with reliable, automated pipelines operating at enterprise scale. Operationalizing machine learning forces IT organizations to overhaul their standard engineering processes. This matrix highlights the difference. DevOps manages only code. MLOps carries a three-dimensional complexity, requiring your teams to version, test, and deploy code, data, and models simultaneously. This six-stage MLOps lifecycle handles that complexity, progressing from data engineering to final governance. IT must treat initial data engineering with application code rigor. Data quality causes 60% of ML failures, placing maximum risk at the lifecycle start. Building these pipelines requires specialized personnel. Forcing data scientists to manage production systems guarantees fragile, undocumented deployments and high operational risk. Organizations need clear structural boundaries. Data scientists focus on feature selection and training logic. You must rely on dedicated ML engineers and MLOps engineers to provide the software engineering rigor required for pipeline automation, model packaging, and CI/CD tooling. This workflow shows how that tooling differs from traditional software. Standard continuous integration and continuous delivery manage testing and deployment. Machine learning adds a unique third branch, continuous training. Continuous training relies on monitoring systems rather than developers. The moment the system detects data drift, it removes the human bottleneck and triggers automatic model retraining. Relying on a deploy and forget methodology is fatal to machine learning systems. This chart shows a typical performance drop-off. Without active monitoring and retraining, 91% of deployed models experience measurable degradation within 9 months. To prevent these silent failures, IT teams must implement a 4-tier monitoring stack. You have to track infrastructure health, data quality inputs, continuous model performance, and finally, business KPIs. Before any retrained model hits production, it passes through a strict automated governance workflow. Promotion requires explicit technical, performance, and compliance approvals, logged directly in an immutable model registry. A mature MLOps platform enforces strict service-level agreements. The environment targets under 1 day to deploy a new model, sub-15-minute rollback times for critical incidents, and active monitoring enabled on 100% of production models. Reaching that level of maturity means abandoning manual, notebook-driven workflows entirely. Every deployment must route through automated, auditable pipelines. IT leadership must treat MLOps as a permanent foundational infrastructure layer. It requires sustained funding and integration, much like a data warehouse or CI/CD platform. Organizational discipline ultimately dictates success more than specific tooling choices. You justify the MLOps investment by explicitly connecting every model output to a measurable business KPI, proving exact contributions to revenue, cost reduction, or risk mitigation.